I'm going to walk you through what we do for somebody who's experiencing golfer's elbow and neck pain. I started with the scraping tool and then I started using my thumbs. Really, this helps improve blood flow, helps decrease some of that muscle stiffness and tension, and also helps improve the range of motion. I always like working both sides of the joint just to make sure that we're not missing any areas of tension or stiffness. Then we work through the neck, looking for any areas of pain or discomfort or any additional areas of stiffness. Once we work through all those pain spots, we adjust. That's great. Pressure here okay?
Yep.
Deep breath in. All the way out. Good, one more. All the way out. There it goes.